Crown Bees wants you to be successful. So we've created 2 harvesting kits that will help you with that. Both kits come with a Humidibee, and that's a container that you're going to store your cocoons in over winter. We've also included a thermometer and humidity gauge. That'll help you keep track of it over winter. Now for our trays, we have a cocoon comb. One side's for our mason bee trays, one side's for our leaf cutters. Make sure you have something down because it will get messy. And you just simply take the tray off and boom, there you go. You've got your cocoons and you're done. For our reeds, we have, in addition, a Cocoon Finder, and we also have a reed splitter. The Cocoon Finder is great because you can check and see, okay, this is one that is full of cocoons, and this one isn't. And so you can save this and use it again next year. When you have your reed splitter, you'll notice there's a great notch here. You put it on the node, crack the reed, and you're all set. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out at Crown Bees.